So I'm back and I'm making my Jingle Juice for New Year's Eve when Haley comes over. We're having a fucking sleepover. So yes, this is just gonna be like how I begin the video. But so to start off, you need 1 bottle of Cran-Apple. Okay, I knew this is gonna be hard to open. I'm gonna need my mom. 1 second, I'm gonna go have my mom open this. That's why I asked off what I do without my fucking mom. I don't fucking know. Okay. So, Moscato. So I brought this one in like a cupcake Moscato, and the cupcake Moscato was sweeter, so we're gonna use that to actually drink as like just the Moscato to drink for New Year's Eve. And then I'm gonna put this one in because I feel like since everything's getting mixed together, you really won't notice. 1 bottle of this. We need 2 bottles of red wine, and I'm using the Hacienda 2014 Cabernet Sauvignon blah blah blah.
There once was a child named Emma who was born and happy. But that was a long, long time ago.
And this whole bottle apparently has like this 1 bottle. This is 2 bottles. Like I'm not an alcoholic, so I didn't know all this. I learned that. Okay, it cut out, but so the 1 bottle of Moscato, 2 bottles of red wine, and then I already added, but I cut out this whole bottle, but it's only supposed to be a ½ cup of vodka, but I used the whole bottle. After that, cranberries. Walmart didn't have fucking cranberries. They only had frozen ones, so I did frozen cranberries. And these are the Cransation snack packs infused with natural fruit juice. That's what it looks like. Ooh, Jesus. Using it. And then you just want to cut up. It calls for mint, but I don't really know. Like, I don't fuck with mint, so I don't know if I'm going to put it in. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to. But And that's about it. Just stir it up, put it in the fridge, and you got like a nice New Year's drink. I'm gonna make a glass and I'll show you guys and let you guys know how it tastes.
I be in the pussy if you looking for me, boy. I eat the pussy like she cooked it for me. Can you hear me now?
Okay, but I just fucking picked up Haley. It's like 5 fucking degrees out, and she wants me to go inside the house and see something. I don't know, something sexy. That's the only reason why I'm like, okay. But yes, I'm picking up Haley. We're just having a sleepover. It's New Year's Eve, bitches. So yes, we'll see where this night takes us. Bye, guys.
Flip, jackknife, cannonball, splash fight, super soaked the last night, pussy wet, that's bath time. Ooh, yeah, I got that pack, 10 socks, my pack real much, gym socks, taking off like lift. Stuck up hoes, I don't fuck with those. Love all my hoes, but don't love these hoes. My hoes do blow, get blow, fuck a hoe, send.
Literally got this in my head.
I went to wash it off, but I like, how do I take off my jacket?
I wouldn't. Yeah, I wouldn't take it.
You can. You can find the reason that no one else is living this way. Living this way. Satan has my lyrics tatted on it, so you know it's flames if I'm rapping on it. And if my phone ring, it's the money.
You're literally dying. Okay, so Haley's just trying to clean up my ashtray and pick out my roaches so we can just throw everything away. And I'm trying to find the cord to my camera so I can download the video and we can keep recording. But
So
it's a struggle.
We're both in a rut.
Yes. Haley has an avocado stain from the guacamole. Happy New Year's, you guys.
We was the rock star starting team. If I'm standing in your way, I'm sorry, pardon me. We can part ways, and that don't bother me at all. You make it hard to think you wanted me at all. Watch me pull up in that old school.
We have sorted out the blunt situation. I found the cord, and we're ready to start the next video.
Yeah, oh my god, I forgot this was on
If I got it, then my brothers got it. If I don't got it, then my brothers got me. I know it's been a long, long time coming, yeah, but I'm still rubbing woods on my jeans. Grab my weed, grab a lease. Fuck the name, I smoke OG. Kurt Cobain, yeah, that's me. Fuck the sky, I'm in the trees. Fuck your so high, I shouldn't be smoking, but I got a lot on my mind. Just trying to cope with feeling so hopeless, so I keep my arms open. Abusing my dosage, I don't know if you notice. I'm broken, I don't know if this life is worth living. Is there anyone with me? I keep throwing up all of my guts, my whole stomach is empty. Thinking a fix was. My ex bitch ain't got shit on my new bitch. Shorty so foreign, got a brother named Yusuf. Got that brain like a student. We go to space when we bootin'. Yeah, yeah. I wanna love her, but I love to make music. She say she loves every song, and she can't wait till I make it. She don't get mad. Lil' shorty look good, and she coming home with me. Hey, goddamn, I look good. I got my fit from overseas. Hey, the only time you ever see me with my head down is when I'm rolling up my weed. Life been good.
Good morning and happy 2018. My voice is for some reason disappearing. For some reason that wasn't working. We are on our way. I have weed in my mouth. to my work right now. Good thing.
Yeah.
I don't feel that shitty. My voice for some reason is just like giving out, and she's just cold and shuts down when she's in the cold.
Yes. Yeah.
So I'd say we both had a pretty successful night. Like I definitely wasn't sober. And for people like, I don't know, for someone that wasn't gonna go out or do anything, I'd say it was a pretty good night. I liked it. It was like low key, and I was drinking, and that Jingle Juice, holy shit. If she gives you guys the recipe, like seriously, try
I
it.
recorded it. I'll put
you
it
did?
like down below, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, go check that out because holy shit, it's so good. It becomes like you're drinking like you're almost drinking the drink as like a refresher at that, or like
Literally, because like we
point-
were doing the drunk challenge and I kept drinking it, like forgetting that I'm supposed to like.
yeah, I know. It was like really good. So totally recommend that. And it has fucking 2 bottles of red wine in it, a bottle of Moscato, and vodka. So like it does the job.
It does.
But yeah, I hope everyone has a great motherfucking New Year's. I hope to be on the channel more, and I know that she has a lot of cool content for you guys coming, and a lot of good ideas coming. So we're just gonna do our own thing and be successful and follow through on our New Year's resolutions. We should like do a vlog every time that we meet up to plan our month out, to like maybe give people ideas. I don't know, just like hold ourselves accountable, maybe. Not like tell them like, oh, we're gonna do this, but like when we just vlog. But yeah, my arm hurts now, and we're gonna. It's so bad. Like
I told you.
I can't even. I don't even know how like professionals do it with those big ass cameras. Like this is my
Yeah,
tiny
like,
ass
when
iPhone
I fucking
6.
go to the aquarium and stuff like that, like bringing the big camera sucks.
Yeah.
Because I like that camera when I go to like really pretty places.
Oh jeez. And because this is like a tiny ass iPhone 6. Like what? Anyways.
Like literally.
So this is gonna be the end of the vlog, and I hope everyone has a safe and happy and successful 2018. Bye.